The deals, we have a 580L Series 2 loader backhoe, enclosed ROPS. It does not have AC. It's a northern machine down here in Texas. Where are we located? Here in Lufkin, Texas. It's got good hours on it. 2-wheel drive. Nice tread. No leaking from the cylinders to be found. I don't think this bucket fits this machine because the pin is like way too big for this machine. So that bucket, definitely not for this unit. No cracks on the boom anywhere to be found. All the lights are working in the top. Again, no leaking from these cylinders either. Side here, decent cab. Seat's not all torn up. Does have the foot controls. We're showing 6,308 hours. It is working because you can see the meter turning there. Those are accurate hours based on this meter. It is blowing out coal. It's not blowing coals. This machine is not an AC machine. Non-AC. 4-wheel shift on the cab. Pretty decent machine. Needs some cleanup, but would be a great machine for export. It's had recent service time. Bucket's in good shape. Needs a new cutting edge, but it's not cracked or broken anywhere. Do have a leaking cylinder here. That's the only one I found. That's just oil splatter. Oil is clean on this unit. Again, recent filter changes on everything. 3/31/23. We'll go ahead and give you a quick demonstration video on this unit now. Go ahead.